What we have here is a 1957 Land Rover Series. This thing is just the best. It's the 86 wheelbase. It's been just beautifully restored. The Keswick Green color, the green leatherette interior just sets this thing apart. Look at the color on this leather wrapped steering wheel and this beautiful saddle leather with the raised stitching. Just amazing. I really like these things. They're great for palling around, you know, just in Palm Beach area, West Palm Beach, Jupiter Island, whatever it might be. They're also great on farms. 4-speed manual, first gear, and we're off. This thing was recently serviced and gone through by DOS Sport, made just right for whether you're going to use it on a farm in Virginia, where DOS Sports headquarters is, or you're going to be down here in the Florida area, or maybe the coastal Georgia, Savannah, Charleston. Just the perfect accessory for any residence in somewhere beautiful. This one is a 1957 Land Rover Series. It's got the 86-inch wheelbase. It is a setup as a multi-passenger. It takes 4 in the back and 3 people up front. It's got the bench seats. It's got a constructed wood floor. This one came to us pretty close to how you see it today. It was fine-tuned and made right by DOS Sport in Gordonsville, Virginia, before being shipped down here to South Florida. It has had a very cherished life here. Very little use since it's a restoration, and it's ready really just to serve and go and go and go. It has this extended top on it, and the sides do roll down. They have windows in the sides if you decide to use it in a colder weather climate. For down here in this weather, it's just perfect. Some things that have been done to it: it's got a nice battened floor on the passenger side. That's a battened floor in the back. It's got this military version tire on it. It's an Avon, and it's got 5 of them, right? 4 on the truck, 1 is the spare. Let's take a look under the engine bay. I like these things because they're so versatile. You can take them to dinner or lunch. You can just bop around with it by yourself, or you can load up the grandkids in it and take them for a ride around the farm. This one is pretty cool, where it's been equipped with the Series 2 later edition engine. This engine is the Series 2A engine, one from like 1971, it looks like. And it also has the Series 3, just beautiful gearbox. So it just drives like a dream. No synchro meshing, no double clutching required. You just drive it and enjoy it. Look at the engine bay on this thing. Air filter housing, the side of the engine block here, just looking fantastic. I mean, look at the finish on this thing. Period, perfect, correct. Has the more reliable Series 2A engine in this earlier 1957 Series chassis, along with the Series 3 gearbox. Just the best upgrade combination you can do to a Series. Makes it reliable, has more horsepower, and has that smooth gearbox. Manual shift still, 4-speed, but no double clutching. No grinding the gears kind of thing. Look at the engine bay on this thing. This thing's like concours ready. I love the rope seal here. This is all correct. This was a Birmingham, England build originally. The chassis has been refinished as well in powder coated black, which is just the way to go. Back here, look at the fit and finish of this thing. These never pop out this easily. It's always a struggle. I just break a nail half the time. Look at that. Badging's correct on the back. Birmingham, England build. This one's been equipped with a couple subtle things. It's got turn signals. It has a little indicator here on the end. You can see. It's got the brake lights and parking lights. But the turn signals is a big thing, especially if you're driving around in a busy area. Fresh upholstery back here. Battened floor. It's got a nice patina on the floor back here. It's not like something that's fresh and new wood. It's got like just a tried and true look about it. And that's because it is tried and true. All right, let's take a look over here. This one is equipped still with its original bottle jack, change of tires, wheel wrench. Look at these details. That's so cool. I get pretty excited about these. I have a friend in Savannah, Georgia, Richmond Hill area. It's like looking for something for the grandkids on the farm. And it's just one of those things. I'm like, I got the perfect thing for you. Take them around on this, load them in it, and have some fun. Speaking of the grandkids, this one has a very subtle sort of update to it, okay? Someone's equipped it with modern seatbelts. So you just pull this out of here. Got the belt. Got the latch receptacle over here. And that's for all 3 seats across the front of it, okay? Everyone buckled in. Got the dip switch here for the headlights. High and low beam. Right here. Got the horn. This one has a wiper option as well. There you go. In case you get caught in some inclement weather. Some of the details like the steering wheel, the rear side view mirrors, just the condition of the wheels and hubs. The nice thing about a Series is they kept it real simple, okay? No external fuel fill, it's right under the driver's seat. Bottom cushion comes off. Real easy. Look at the quality of this restoration. This was originally restored by Lekker, which is a pretty well-known bunch of guys. Did a great job. And then so sport guys kind of go back over it. Takes petrol, unleaded fuel. This is not a diesel motor. So it's really fantastic that way because the diesels are kind of smelly, they're just dirty. Petrol. If you're going to buy this one, it's petrol. If you're going to buy another one in the world, make sure you compare apples to apples. Petrol motor, 2.25 liter motor, petrol, way to go. 4-speed manual transmission, gear lever here. Now, if you want to get real fun with it, you can take the canvas top off. The framework unbolts relatively easy. We're talking like 15 minutes with home tools from the garage. And then pop these 2 wing nuts right here. And the windshield folds down. And then you have a total flat top. So cool, so versatile. And we can roll the sides down. So for colder climates, you can close this thing off, front to rear, and away you go. You could have this thing in Traverse City, Michigan in January, where it's like -8 degrees in the morning. Not for me, but you guys up there, you can do it. It's built into your DNA and your blood, and we're ready for you there too. I just sold one of these recently to a guy. It was a 61 that we had. He was using it out at the Okeechobee hunting grounds at his farm out there. 1,000-acre farm. Instead of a Kabuto Gator, you can have one of these things, and it's much cooler. One of the cool things about the 57 bulkhead and body style is the addition of the air conditioner. So it has these louvered vents that opens up, just fantastic. So you want to stay cool, you get some air over your body while you're driving along. It's pretty neat. Any questions? Just feel free to call or text or send us a DM. I'm Colin here at Dot Sport, representing a client of ours, and we'll put you guys in touch and make the connection, and you guys can make a deal from there. So thanks for watching today. Sayonara. Goodbye. Ciao.